Northside Window and Gutter Cleaning, we're serious about windows.
It is wonderful to have someone come and clean your windows. It's a job nobody really likes to do.
If I take good care of my home and my windows are dirty, it's like the job isn't finished.
Attention to detail and 100% customer satisfaction is our goal with every job. Our window cleaners are highly trained and the best in the business.
They actually did a walkthrough with me prior to and as well as when they completed the job, noting a few things that I had overlooked.
We offer a standard exterior cleaning, but for best and brightest results, we recommend both an interior and exterior cleaning. For a small additional fee, we can add in chandeliers, mirrors, coach lights, and many other items. Just ask.
The workers showed up on time. They couldn't have been more courteous to us, making very sure that customer relations was important to them. They wanted us to be satisfied, and we certainly were.
They were very professional, they were friendly, they did a great job. I would recommend them to anyone.
I feel like Northside Gutter and Window Cleaning are partners with us in the maintenance of our home. And it's really good to have a company like that you can depend on.
Ask us about our worry-free maintenance plans and let us have our friendly team keep your home clean.
You can call us at our office or contact us on the web. We'll be right out to give you a free, no obligation quote for cleaning.